Positive COVID-19 cases continue to rise not only across parts of the country, but across Michigan as well after businesses and restaurants reopened. You may be wondering what that means in terms of close contact. Joel Strauss is an officer at the Bay County Health Department and says the process of contact tracing all begins when someone has a positive test result.
The local health department will begin to do case investigation from there. What they'll want to know is when were the onset of symptoms, what the symptoms were. They'll review the test with the person, and then they'll also talk about contacts. They will talk about where do you work, did you actually go to work, or have you been working remotely, and also who have you been in close contact with.
Strauss says close contact is when someone who is confirmed positive has been within 6 feet or less for more than 15 minutes.
Let's just use the restaurant, for example. When you have someone that works in a restaurant, they should be wearing a mask, especially if they're in contact with the general public. If they're not wearing a mask and they're turned out to be positive, then we will notify that restaurant. What we'll try to do, if they know who the contact is, let's say that it's a by reservation only restaurant and they've got the name and the telephone numbers, then we'll try to get in contact with those particular folks that may have come into contact with this positive case. But if it's a thing where it's a walk-in type of restaurant and they don't take names or contact information, then we'll have to put out some kind of press release in regards to something like that.
Strauss says the best way to keep yourself and employees safe is to answer questions honestly.
People need to be very, very cognizant of their symptoms, and they need to be truthful about their symptoms too. We've got a lot of people that are visiting places without masks, without social distancing.
Ashlyn Hill, WNEM TV5.